Hey there! Experiencing audio issues on your Samsung Frame TV can be frustrating, but don't worry. In this guide, we'll focus on strategies for how to fix audio glitching on Samsung Frame TV. Whether it's a crackling sound or complete audio dropouts, I've got step-by-step solutions to help you get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies with crystal clear sound. Step 1. Check and update your TV's software. The first step in resolving audio glitches is ensuring your TV's firmware is up to date. Head to the Settings menu on your Samsung Frame TV. Navigate to Support and select Software Update. If an update is available, proceed to install it. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that could resolve your audio glitching problem. Step 2. Examine external connections. Loose or faulty external connection can often cause audio issues. First, ensure that all HDMI and optical cables connected to your Samsung Frame TV are securely in place. A quick unplug and replug can often work wonders. Additionally, make sure your audio system, if connected, is also powered on and set to the correct input source. Step 3. Adjust audio settings. Sometimes tweaking your audio settings can eliminate glitches. Go to your TV's settings followed by Sound. Here, you can experiment with different sound output options and sound modes. If you're using an external speaker system like a soundbar, ensure that the sound output is set correctly to match it. Step 4. Factory reset your TV. If your audio issues persist, consider performing a factory reset. This step will erase your settings, so use it as a last resort. Go to Settings, select Support, choose Self-Diagnosis, and then Reset. Enter your security PIN to perform the reset. Once your TV restarts, you may need to set up your apps and preferences again, but this can resolve deeply embedded issues. Step 5. Reach out to Samsung Support. If none of the above solutions work, it might be time to contact Samsung Support. They can provide expert assistance and may offer solutions specific to your model or geographic region. Be ready to provide your TV model number and a detailed description of the issue to expedite the process. And there you have it. Now you know how to fix audio glitching on Samsung Frame TV using a variety of practical solutions. From updating your software and checking cable connection to adjusting audio settings and executing a factory reset, these steps can help get your TV's audio back on track. Remember, if problems persist, professional help from Samsung Support is always a smart option. With these tips, you're ready to dive back into the immersive soundscapes of your favorite entertainment. Enjoy the seamless audio experience on your Samsung Frame TV and tune in next time for more helpful tips and tricks.